Hi everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars, mgmclassiccars.com. Grab the popcorn, check out this beautiful 1967 Camaro. Double white top with blue interior. Great body. Powered by a 350. Power brakes. Power steering. Beautifully detailed inside. Just running the way it should. Edelbrock. 4-barrel carburetor, nice and clean. Has a heater. Look how nice. Nice car. We'll go over the car with you, so see if we can find any paint flaws or any mishaps, so you know exactly what you're getting. Your front bumper and chrome and badging and lights are all good. Seems like everything is working the way it should. Turn signals, rally wheels, tires are in great shape. No flaws yet. Lines up beautiful. We like to say, drop your top and show me your seats. Check it out. Straight lines. What do you think? Sound good? Can't find any flaws in the paint. The white is deep. It's got dual mirrors. 67 Camaro. Only ones with the vent window. All good stuff, folks. This is a treat. All SS badged out. Hood. Top is in real good condition. I've got over 100 photos online. Full description, and the video will be there as well. No cracks anywhere. All your seat belts intact. All your glass and moldings are good. Horn is working. AM/FM stereo cassette radio. 62,838 miles on the odometer. Blinkers are working. Lights are working. Heater is working. Let's see how she performs. Be nice if I put it in gear. All right, so she shifts real good and brakes are good. Handle's good. Nice and tight. Stops great. Okay. So far, so good. No funky noises. Okay. Shifts great. It's got plenty of performance. 350s are great engines. They last. Easy to work on. Shifts all through the gears. That was 60 miles an hour. This thing gets up and goes with no hesitation at all. Let's see how it sounds when we're doing a big U-turn. Nice. Real nice. All right, we are located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. I'll give you my number in a little bit if you want to grab a pen or paper. If you call me with any questions or want to make an appointment, but let's have a little fun. Nice, second gear scratch. nice run. With over 170 cars in stock, we're shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured. We do offer special financing with people with good credit up to 180 months, 10% down. Sometimes, if you have real good credit, no money down. You'd have to be closer to an 800 score, but they'll go up to 180 months, which is awesome. Let's try this baby again. She runs out great. We also have a full service center on premises, all done by appointment only. Again, my name is Earl, mgmclassiccars.com, where all our videos and photos and description are online. My number is 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. Please like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We try to go through everything. All our cars are going through pre-delivery inspections, so you know what you're getting. It's a real good product, this 1967 Camaro. Please call me if you have any questions or on anything else we have in our inventory. Hope you enjoyed the video as much as I like making it, and we will talk to you folks soon. Adios.